Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Microsoft project online with Entra ID, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Microsoft project online with Entra ID, begin by navigating to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Log in with your administrative credentials. Once logged in, locate the left-hand navigation pane. Click on Azure Active Directory to access identity settings. In the Azure Active Directory dashboard, select App Registrations. Choose New Registration to begin creating a new application. Enter a name for your application in the name field. Select the supported account types that suit your organization. For redirect URI, choose Web and input the appropriate URI for your project online setup. Click on Register to create the application. After registration, you will be directed to the application's overview page. Make a note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID for later use. Next, select Certificates and Secrets from the sidebar. Click on New Client Secret to generate a secret key. Provide a description for the secret and set its expiration period. Click Add and make sure to copy the value of the secret before leaving the page. Now, return to the Azure Active Directory dashboard. Select Enterprise Applications from the left menu. Search for Project Online in the list of applications. Click on the Project Online application once you find it. In the application settings, navigate to Users and Groups. Click the Add User. Choose users or groups that need access to Project Online. After selecting users, click Assign to confirm your choices. Next, head back to the application overview page. Select API Permissions from the left sidebar. Click on Add a Permission and choose Microsoft APIs. Find and select Project API from the list. Then, check the permissions you want to grant. Once selected, click on Add Permissions. You may need to grant admin consent for the permissions. Next, go to the Authentication section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.